Right now, and you are back cooking live with 45. So, again, we got a chance to see what our brother felt real out there. Right now, I'm adding a little bit of noodles in here just to have a little different kind of texture. Remember, this is not Campbell's. So, this is 4-5 chicken soup for the soul. Now again, one of the things I like to do with my soup for the flavor of it all, I got some old fried rice, chicken fried rice. I'm gonna add a little bit of that into the broth with it. This even got a little bit of pineapple in it. Yesterday I made pineapple boats loaded with pineapple chicken fried rice. Man, they were awesome. Alright, so we got it jumping over here. Again, all the music today is being provided by YouTube. I thought we would have our brother here today, but again, getting him toggled in here, I guess it's a little more challenging than I thought it would be. So, stay tuned for Mega City Entertainment.
For about 3 weeks prior, and
as they come on later. So now, got a whole lot of other stuff. So,
when I was sleeping, I know this is my daughter.
Get my pot ready.
But when you get there, everyone's like, hey, we got your back. We're not going to give up. And when you see other people not giving up on your child, that makes all people give up.
So in my separate pot, I got just some water. Now it's time to add the good vegetables. Today I'm cheating, like I said, because I don't feel good. So I'm just going to get some fresh vegetables here. Get them going. I'm using frozen because they're easier. I'm pouring them right in there. Got some peas and carrots again to add to that stock. As you can see, we're building our mountain.
You'll help us continue the life-saving research and treatment these kids need.
The next thing,
join with your debit or credit card right now, and we'll send
the
you
next thing we're gonna do,
T-shirt.
try to stir these up a little bit, get everybody in that little sludge. We're gonna transfer all of this in a minute. Turn the heat down low. Let that just sit there for a minute. Do its thing. I see my pasta noodles are softening up nice. Now, the next main ingredient I like to use is some kind of seasoned meat.
I don't know.
Smoked meat. Gives it a whole lot of flavor. Now this is gonna be turkey meat that I'm dropping in here just to try to let that, give it a little bit of that flavor. Even though we put the chicken, I still like to have a little bit of that smoked flavor in there as well. So as that's cooking in there, I'm also gonna start adding in my chicken, yo. My chicken has already been pre-roasted and cooked, so it's nice and tender. I leave it on the bone. The marrow to me adds a little flavor to the soup when you're making soup. So I left that chicken on the bone. And I'm just kind of breaking it up with my hand as it's going in the pot. Some of the bigger bones I'll pull out. Not annoying, you know. I always leave the neck bone. Something about the way Grumpy used to cook. And bone is serious. Alright. So that chicken is in there. Get that going. Let that smoker. I love the skin. So I try to make sure I preserve as much of that as I can. You always gotta try your best to keep your workspace as clean as possible. Alright, so we got all our mixture here, you know. Looking good. Peas, carrots, and noodles softening up. And then the object really comes to add the two. For me at least. Now, you got a pot like this, be strong enough.
is our chance. Keep relaxed.